Hello kids, how are you? Hope you are enjoying. So today we will learn cursive, capital S and small s. So are you ready? Let's begin. So as you know, we have 4 lines in our English notebook. 1, 2, 3, 4. But we will start from the 1, 2 and third line. From the third line, we just make a slant line till up line. Again, make a slanting line and just make a left curve till second line. Okay, so do the practice once again. From the third line, go to the upper line, just make left curve, and now from the second line just make a right curve. Okay, again from the third line, go to the up line, make a left curve, then make a right curve, just go to up, make a loop in. Wow, it's so easy. Let's begin again. From the third line, go to the upper line, just make a left curve, then come to the right, then make a loop in. It is very easy, right? Again, just from the third line, go to the upper line, slant line, just make a left curve, come to the right, go to up, make a loop in. Is it very easy? Yes. Now we will learn small s, but we will use only 2 lines. We will not use the first line and the end line. We will use the middle lines. Okay. Similar way, we will make slanting line. Do with your ma'am. Again, make a slanting line, make a half curve, then again from the right side make a half, go to up and in. Very easy. Again, make a slant up, make a half left curve, then going to down with the right curve, go to up and loop in. Again, make a slant up, make a left curve, right curve, just make a loop in. Again, slanting, make a left curve, going to down with the right curve, going to up, make a small loop in. Do with your ma'am again. Slant up, make a curve, right curve, going to up and loop in. It is very easy. Capital and small s. So do the practice and tell me how it was. How was your experience? Thank you. Bye-bye.